Hello guys, how are you? We are back. This would be our first unboxing of the year, diba? And ayusin muna natin ating mga kaalasan. Okay, so today we have few items to flex. Some of them arrived last week, and then the others is the other 3 days ago, and then yesterday also. But before, just want to flex this one. We have this choker pearl, and then letter H pendant necklace, and then this one. Nightingale ring, and this clover ring, and we have this ring heart with diamond, and we have also this two-way ring which can be worn also as a two ring, yung sa paa na ring. So they are all available. Nag-block ako today kasi meron tayo i-flex na bago siya pag naka-block. We have few jewelries, but I'll flex first the bags before the jewelries. So we have this one here. Lots. We've got lots of items, guys. Nakatutog na tayo kasi masyadong nakakalungkot. It's raining today. Okay, so we are going to start with our it's raining today, guys, and it seems so sad, the surroundings. All our jewelries are available. So if you're interested, please. So we have this one. We have Coach. And it's two-way. Yeah. I'll follow you too. Coach, and comes with a dust bag. And we have another coach. Bucket bag two-way. Like that. Or comes with a strap. So yeah, adjustable strap. Ganda ng kulay, light blue. Okay. Comes with a dust cloth. And the next, another coach. We have another coach, guys. And two-way. Adjustable long strap, beige color. Yeah. Hack. And next we have next we have MK. This one is, it's small, but it's so cute. As in, ang liit talaga niya. Pero ang cute din naman niya. Tingnan niyo yan. Oh, wala pa ako nakiki. It's not a common Michael Kors. I haven't seen anyone wearing, having this Michael Kors here or in the Philippines or any photos. And, yan oh, ang ganda. Pack. And it comes with a card and a long strap and also the chain. This can be used during night out or party, daytime party, occasion, casual. So cute niya guys. Pwede siya pwede ganun. So yan siya. Ganun siya. Ganda nito. Ganda. Ganda niya. Yan ang flip. Oh. Ang cute niya. Ang ganda nito. And then, comes with a long strap. At puto. Diba? Okay, and next, because I mentioned the shampoo size. And next we have another pouch. That one coach. And two-way. Ganyan ng size reference. Strap is adjustable, body bag all right, and shoulder bag too. And then we have also a Louis Vuitton passport holder. Louis Vuitton passport holder. The only flaws is may bakbak lang dyan sa loob. But it's alright because it's dry na bakbak and not powdery, and it's hidden so it can't be seen. That's the only flaw. And you can put a card in here, your passport here too. Two passport would fit in this one. Okay. And then we have these bags. Diba? Dami talaga niya mga effectus. And we have a Gucci wallet. Parang maano yung mata ko eh. Okay, again. We have a Gucci wallet. So clean. And we have also later on we have also here a Baccarat jewelry. You know the brand Baccarat? Ano siya, amber stone, and then you can replace the chain if you like. Yeah. Guys. Malaking heart to show. Later on, flex natin para makita nyo yung size reference. This will fit on up to 50 grams keychain will fit on this one, and the stone is amber, a big heart size. Brand is Baccarat. And we have here a Gucci bag. bag. Handbag only. Yeah. Ayan siya. The only flows is this the front. This is the front. And this is the back. It's a big size, this one. The only flows is this one. And that little thing, but there's no problem. It's not really an issue because when you're using it, it's hidden. So it can't be seen. That, see? You cannot really see the flows. And then when you hold it, it's still hidden. And it's cheap, guys. And yan. Ganda nito. And then we have another Gucci belt. Double G bamboo buckle. Dress belt only. This one is just dress belt. Yan siya. Bagay sa damit light. But I might keep this one. And so now we're finished with our goods. We'll go with the jewelry. Please come closer. Okay, so we have few jewelries here. Okay, we will start first with our sun and moon earrings. So, earring with diamond. Ganda niyan. And then we have the bean earrings. Try natin, ha? Para makita niyo ang kredibilidad. So, yan. Yan ang bean earrings. Are. So, yan ang bean earrings. And then we will try also our moon and star. So it's moon on the other side and star on the other side, guys. But you can also order a same moon and star star if you're a fan of star and moon. So yun siya. And the moon. Yan. Okay. And then we have also another moon. O, di ba? Moon talaga yung mga ano natin ngayon. This one is different style with cubic zirconia. So, yan siya. Try natin din. And this is how you're going to use it. It's hot. Wala ba dyan kung is it hot? Is that alright?
No.
I think the AC gonna be because I feel hot. So this is our cubic zirconia with moon. Our climber style. Ayan. Yan guys, if nakikita nyo. Ganda nito. Di ba lumabas na yung presyo ng ano? And then we have also a necklace heart movable, but no nabuin na. So we have this one, movable heart. Yan. Ito lisod pa kayo. So yan siya guys. Ang ganda nito. Yan. Diba? And then this one is movable. Pwede adjust. Pack. Ganyan. So, ganyan na lang siya. Pwede din yung as in habang-haba. Ganyan. Yan. Adjustable po yan. Pwede din ganyan lang na length. Ganda nito. And then, I already showed you this one. Just want to flex it. We have sapphire and peridot. Sapphire and peridot. Try din natin para makita. Kasi minsan maganda kasi siya pag pinaflex natin. Kasi para makita niyo pag-suot. So, that's our sapphire. So, sapphire natin. Siya. Ayan. Ayan. Ang hirap naman nito. Maliit. Okay, so yan po yung sapphire natin, guys. Diba? So yan yung pong sapphire. And we have peridot. Our peridot, guys. Peridot, guys. Heart shape. Diba? And I will flex the baccarat. We will have this one. I know you saw this one already. We will have this one. And comes with certification and a big jewelry box. So our tennis necklace 5 carats. This is 5 carats, guys. Patay natin yung ilaw. Kinampaligyan siya, oh. So this is our 5 carats necklace. Diba? Oh, happy yung ginang niya, guys. So yan yung 5 carats natin. And it comes with certification. 5 carats, 22.1 grams. And comes with the presentable jewelry box. Galing pa talaga to sa owner dati, guys. And to think this one is cheap because the real price is something like 7,000 Australian dollar. And so this is our baccarat. And comes with many inclusions. You have the red tag and the black chain pala. So that's our baccarat. And comes with cards. Something unpredictable. So if you have chain, you can put your chain on this one. Alright. That. Diba? Uy, ka-beautiful ba, oy? Ta. Oh, hala. Sige. Hala, kabongga. Oh, diba? Ay! Hala, uy, grabe talaga. Grabe yung diamond niya, guys. Okay, I think that's all for today and thank you so much. Till next time, guys. Say hi first to my jewelry. Diba? Okay. So yan po ang ating jewelry.